Good morning, Southeast Idaho. This is your weather hazard briefing for Friday, January 18th, 2019. Looking ahead at the highlights for the briefing, today we have impacts that are fairly low. Snow will linger across the eastern highlands along the Wyoming border and all points east of I-15 through the morning hours, maybe into midday. Another 1 to 2 inches are possible, especially along the higher elevations of the border area between Idaho and Wyoming. So we do have the headlines still out. We still have winter storm warnings out in pink, and as well in purple we have the winter weather advisories, and those go until through about midday. And then Saturday we have another fairly low impact day. We will have some additional snow accumulations, primarily in the mountains, but we can't rule out maybe an inch or so along the Snake Plain as well, with some snow showers moving in. And then another system comes in Sunday, featuring some low to moderate impacts. We'll have some snow certainly in the mountains. Could see some decent accumulations in the mountains, and possibly some rain-snow mix along the Snake River Plain from, say, Burley to Pocatello. But we'll have more on that in the coming days. Looking back real quick at what happened yesterday, we did see some decent precipitation totals ranging pretty much from a quarter inch to a third of an inch in most locations. A couple of places were less, a couple of places were more, but for the most part, liquid precipitation was about a third to a half an inch, and Idaho Falls in fact broke a record for their daily precipitation, breaking the 1980 record of 0.19. So certainly a decent amount of snow, rain that fell onto snow in Idaho Falls and Pocatello areas especially. Now looking ahead, we have our system right now that's currently moving out of the area. Again, that's going to take a little bit of time, but then our eyes shift to the west. We do have this plume of moisture well into the Pacific, but that's gonna shoot over through northern California into Oregon, and eventually into our area later tonight into tomorrow, and then further back, the system number 2, deeper system, that's going to be our Sunday into Monday system. So a lot going on in the near term here, but things will quiet down towards the end of next week, so there is light at the end of the tunnel. Looking at maximum temperatures today, we're looking at fairly average temperatures, seasonal average, maybe a couple of degrees above, but for the most part, typically what you would expect for middle of January. So we could see some more melting of any fresh snow, and as temperatures fall tonight, we could then see some refreeze issues. But again, those issues should be minor and limited to mostly the untreated surfaces around the area. Looking at the evolution of this next system tonight into tomorrow, we do by late this evening, near midnight, we'll start to see snow getting into the central mountains, approaching the eastern Magic Valley area. And then step ahead 6 hours, you can see now it's kind of the snow has kind of engulfed the whole area, save for the Snake Plain, where we'll see some light showers, light snow continue, but for the most part, it'll be the snow activity will be targeting the eastern highlands and the central mountains, and that's again where we would expect the higher snow totals, and we'll show you that in a couple of seconds here. Stepping ahead another 6 hours, again, most of the activities over the eastern highlands, and then back over to southwest Idaho, where the moisture stream that I pointed to earlier on the water vapor will continue to stream in, and then things start to taper back down tomorrow evening, Saturday evening. So, but we will see semblances of the next system starting to creep in. That's going to come in for Sunday into Monday. So all things considered here, we have the snow totals, a couple inches, maybe maybe half a foot along the high elevations of the Sawtooths, 3 to 4 down in the Stanley Valley area, and then maybe 4 to 6 along Island Park area into Yellowstone and the Montana Divide, and down towards Pine Creek Pass. And it does say less than an inch for the snow for the Snake River Plain, but can't rule out an inch or so with accumulation through tomorrow. So that's what we're looking for the next 24 to 36 hours specifically. Again, we'll have more on that Sunday system in the next couple of days. But in the meantime, if you have any questions, please give us a call here. Otherwise, have a great day.